I think Waylon can tell that I'm stressed out. But we're almost packed. Almost all done packing. Come on, Waylon, you want some pizza? Waylon! Come on, Waylon, you want some pizza? Oh. Little babies are upsetty spaghetti. Here, don't be so upsetty spaghetti. I took the cheese off. For babies. Pizza for babies. So I'm gonna ride a plane for the first time, you guys. So I'm gonna ride a plane for the first time. I'm gonna ride a plane for the first time. And my mommy's gonna take me on a plane. So my mommy's gonna take me. And my daddy too. I'm gonna go ride a plane. First I gotta eat my pizza, because I'm just a little baby. And I gotta get my pizza. So I gotta get my pizza. Say, Daddy, I got pizza. And we packed the Life Vac, which is the thing that helps Waylon if he starts to choke. It like sucks the food out of their throat. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Looks like a little hand pump, like a little plunger. Looks like that. And we're bringing the cloth diapers. We're gonna cloth diaper while we're traveling and do laundry at my mom's house. What else, babe? We're packing all my breast pump and stuff.
We're packing everything we need.
Yeah, but we only have 1.5 suitcases and 2 backpacks, so that's not bad.
Yeah. Well, it's not like we need a lot of stuff.
This suitcase has mine and Zach's clothes and stuff in it. And then this suitcase is Waylon's and a little bit of my stuff, like my shoes, dress shoes for the wedding. And then the 2 backpacks. And that's really it. Okay, will you watch Waylon eat the pizza so I can finish packing? Mm-hmm. Babe, say hi. Pizza. Don't worry, buddy. Daddy's here now. Don't worry.
I locked the garage.
Okay, the personnel door?
Yes.
Okay.
I know you can just reach in and open it, but still, your hood's open.
It's not open, the latches. Your sensor's busted.
Okay, do we have time to stop at Walmart, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would pull up our itinerary to see what the time of the flight is now.
Waylon, where are we? I love you. Thank you for taking us.
Yes. Oh, I'm not taking your blankie. You guys almost bad news bears. Love you guys. See you next time.
Love you. We'll see you in a couple days. This is what we got. Can you stick the Loops blanket inside the car seat? And that blanket too. Take the cooler and hook it onto your backpack. Waylon. I don't know what gate we're going to, but the nice lady at the gate check said thank you for your service, and she did not charge us for our bags, which normally would have been $30 each, to total $60, so we didn't have to pay for that. And she also moved our seats so that we were near an empty seat so that we could put Waylon's car seat, because we only bought 2 seats because we couldn't afford a 3rd seat. But we were going to bring the car seat just in case there was an empty seat, because that's more safe for Waylon to be in a car seat. And she also gave me my TSA pre-check, which is great. So me and Waylon can do TSA pre-check, but Zachary cannot. So here we go.
Pound sand.
Okay, this is where we got to split. Just in case you get over there and they tell you you're not allowed to have the breast milk, show them me and the baby and tell them I'm over at the TSA pre-check.
The Salt Lake City Airport is smoke-free. Individuals wishing to smoke must exit the airport and go to a designated smoking area, curbside.
Waylon. Go, Waylon, go. Trash. Waylon, where are you going? Where are you going, buddy?
In the interest of aviation security, do not leave your luggage unattended at any time. Do not transport.
Come here, Waylon. Waylon. Come on, handsome fella. Say, Mommy, this is slippery. So slippery. Say, Mommy, it's not time for bed. It's time to play games. No, don't put your mouth on that. Oh, too late. Waylon, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? There he is, right there. Coming back from the bathroom. So my daddy just went potty. He'll come right back. Go. Say go. Go.
Done with it, buddy? No? Uh-oh, he's done with it.
He doesn't want to.
Yeah.
That's his sleepy face.
Happy to have you here. If you're just arriving, I hope you'll find the time to visit some of our unique locally owned businesses. Sample some of
No,
the
he wants to go that
flavors
way.
from our